안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So this is Shariel and this is Sanin. So we're going to Gaisano to buy some bag and also 2 lower and 2 upper shirts. See ya! Bye-bye!
Bye.
Good afternoon, Shariel and Sharlene.
Good afternoon, Teacher Nisan.
So we are here at Gaisano to buy bags. 1 bag each and then 2 lower and 2 upper shirts, okay? And it's coming from Bekchorinim.
Victorine, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Alright, so you start looking na. Nakita na mag t-shirts yung ganahan. Shirts and then lower. So mamili mag duha ka book sa nina o duha ka book pants or sayal. Kana, pwede.
Ayan, oh.
So you already have your 1 piece of shirts. Asa na yung napiling na nina? Asa na yung mga Shanin? Ay, sa Shariel. Napo ni usa. Last usa. Kundi ganan mani? Ano yung maigot ni ninyo? Tama mo sa inyong sukod? Alright, so last pair sa upper. Ganan mo na. Pwede na. Try, ganan mo. So, they're going to try or check their clothes. Shannon and Cheryl, asa daw pagkita sa inyong gikuha? Asa daw? Tyras. Imo ha? Kana. That one. Sige, go. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Gawas mo daw. Asa daw yung masayal? Pink and red. So, nice. Ganun mo? Sige, go. Kao, buta na ninyo kay mag-change na mo. Ay, picture sa ta movie naman doon. So, you already got your 2 bags. Asa yung Shariel? Shariel kay Violet and kang Shannon kay ano na, blue? Ay, pink. Ay,
Wala madam ka na isa.
hi, Shariel and Shannon. So, you have your shopping already. 1 bag each, 1 shirt, and 2 lower pants and skirts. So, it's coming from Victorine. Kailangan na mo siyang kuhan? You like it? Alright, so bye-bye!
Magwara di hate. Try pa.
Desiree, Chloe, and Ellie. So each of you will have what do you want in the sari-sari store. It's up to you, okay? Okay, so choose as many as you can. Ellie, what do you feel for this day? You're very lucky this day. Happy? Okay. Hi, Jasiri.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so mana nimo og purchase ang imuhang mga grocery items. Mo ni Inday?
Yes.
Okay. So how much is it?
1,570.
Okay, so 1,570 in all and your change is
430.
okay, so that 430 will be your allowance. Okay ra?
Yes.
Ah.
Uncle Victory name, kamsamida. Thank you for grocery.
Okay. So happy ra kay si Desiree. So the other students kay nagpa-counter pa sila. Okay. So kana allowance na nimo ang sukli ha change. So the total purchase is 1,570. So i-keep ang imuhang sukli for your allowance. Okay? Okay, so mauna na ang imuhang mga items. Okay, Ellie, this is your turn. Your total is 1,623. Okay? So your change is, pila ang change mo day? 377. Okay, so that change will be your allowance. Okay ra, Ellie? Okay, so mauni mo mga grocery items nga gipamalit. Okay, so mauni siya. Naay mga eggs. Okay, here. Then naapo diri. Okay. So,
Uncle Victory name, kamsamida.
okay, Ellie. So, pagtarog spila inday ha. Then i-keep na imuhang allowance ha. Okay, mao na ang change nimo. So mao man ni imuhang total 1,623 worth of grocery nga imong gi-purchase. Okay, Ellie? So last na kay si Chloe. Okay, magpa-counter pa si Chloe later on. So we will pay after the computation of the owner. Okay, Chloe. So humana ka og purchase imong items manag total. So pila man inday ang total?
1,233.
Okay, 1,233. So your change is
767.
okay, 767 will be your allowance ha. So ang change is imong allowance. Okay? So mo nimo mga items nga gipamalit. Okay, ari diri sa plastic.
Uncle Victory name, kamsamida. Thank you for the groceries and I appreciate it.
Okay, very good, Chloe.
Victory name, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida. Thank you for the groceries.
Okay, bye-bye students.